everyone! Are you tired of the same old boring diet tips? Well, buckle up because today we're diving into the best protein foods for a calorie deficit diet that will not only help you shed those pounds, but also keep your taste buds dancing. First up, let's talk about the king of lean protein, chicken breast. Did you know it packs a whopping 31 grams of protein per 100 grams? That's like having a mini muscle factory on your plate. But wait, there's more. It's super versatile. Grill it, bake it, or sauté it. The choice is yours. And here's a tip. Marinate it with herbs and spices for a flavor explosion without the extra calories. Now let's move on to turkey breast. Almost as good as chicken, but with a twist. It's got 29 grams of protein and only 135 calories per 100 grams. Plus, it's rich in B vitamins and selenium. Roast it, grill it, or make a killer turkey sandwich. Trust me, your muscles will thank you. Shrimp lovers rejoice. These little guys are protein powerhouses with 24 grams of protein and just 99 calories per 100 grams. And they're not just for fancy dinners. Boil them, grill them, or toss them in a stir-fry. They're low in fat, but high in omega-3s and antioxidants. Talk about a win-win. Vegans and vegetarians, I've got you covered with tofu. It's got 8 grams of protein and 76 calories per 100 grams. Plus, it's a complete protein with all essential amino acids. Stir-fry it, bake it, or add it to soups. And here's a secret. Marinate it to make it taste amazing. And who can forget non-fat Greek yogurt? With 10 grams of protein and only 59 calories per 100 grams, it's perfect for a quick snack or a smoothie base. Add some fresh fruit or nuts, and you've got a delicious, nutritious treat. But wait, there's more. Let's not forget about egg whites, cottage cheese, lean beef, fish, and legumes. Each of these foods brings something unique to the table. Whether it's slow-digesting casein from cottage cheese or omega-3s from fish. Now let's talk meal planning. Combine these protein sources with veggies and whole grains for balanced nutrition. How about a grilled chicken salad with mixed greens? Or a shrimp stir-fry with broccoli and bell peppers? The possibilities are endless. But let's be real, sticking to a diet can get boring. So mix it up. Try new recipes, experiment with different seasonings, and keep your meals exciting. And if meal prep feels like a chore, batch cook and freeze portions. Simple, right? So there you have it. The best protein foods for a calorie deficit diet. High protein, low calorie foods that are perfect for weight loss and muscle gain. Start experimenting with these foods today and see the benefits for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tips. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite protein-packed meal? Until next time, stay healthy and happy eating.